Meaning of gruesomely.
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 Gruesomely. The word gruesomely refers to something that is extremely horrifying, shocking, and repulsive. It typically describes an event or situation that involves violence, death, or mutilation in a disturbing and graphic manner. The use of the word implies that the scene or experience is not only unpleasant and difficult to witness, but also profoundly disturbing on a psychological level. In essence, gruesomely denotes something that is so horrendous that it elicits feelings of shock, disgust, and horror in those who witness it, and may even leave a lasting impact on their psyche.